Are you someone who's thinking of starting digital marketing business? Go for it. It's a great choice. I would say it without hesitation. It's never been too late for anyone to get started into this online marketing. The good thing is that you don't need to pay a lot of amounts to learn about digital marketing like you do in college, although there are plenty of options. You can start a career in digital marketing by making your skills develop. Learning from online sources, you can serve your clients from the comfort of your home. You may be unaware about this and still have doubts regarding what is digital marketing, how to start digital marketing, how to earn in digital marketing. I'm here to help you, so without delay, let's get into the video. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing or online marketing is nothing but a term used to describe the process of marketing on the internet. It has number of components that covers all areas of online promotion. This is not something that completes in single procedure, but it has number of digital process that can be achieved by digital marketing campaign. Digital marketing is a great choice. We are living in a digital world and marketing budgets have been changing to digitalized method. Companies need to improve their online visibility, and there's large demand for digital marketers all over the world. This includes a wide variety of marketing like search engine marketing, website marketing, content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, video marketing, affiliate marketing, and so on. How to start digital marketing? Once you get to know the basics, the next step is to get your hands dirty and start practicing digital marketing. One of the best way to start your own digital marketing business is to start your own website. This is not something that you'll learn from theories and theoretical concepts. This is only learned when you progress yourself through the digital marketing career path. Once you get your path, you'll get to know about the different technologies, techniques, and tools that helps you grasp the content. There are some skills that are very much important to be a smart digital marketer. SEO expert. You cannot pursue a career in digital marketing if you're not good at SEO. You first need to become an SEO expert and then develop other skills. With SEO, you learn to create websites that both users and search engines love. You can apply the same concept to improve your Google Ads and Facebook paid campaigns. Once you become master in SEO, you can build your other skills. Get a Google Ads certification. Part of your job as a digital marketing consultant is to use Google Ads to promote products on their various platforms. The fastest way to acquire the necessary skill is to get the Google Ads certification. There are tons of resources to help you become a Google Ads expert, previously known as Google AdWords. And getting a certificate helps you prove to your clients that you have necessary skills. Master Facebook ads advertising. The next step is to start with social media market and in particular Facebook ads. As a digital marketing specialist, you must know how every social media platform works. But in general, most of your time and budget campaigns will be spent on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook, besides being one of the great social media, is now one of the important tools for digital marketing campaign. Become an expert in Google Analytics. One of the main character of digital marketing campaign is that it can be measurable. Besides learning every tools, techniques and technologies, one must also know analytics. You know how many people reached your website, clicked your ads, viewed your campaigns, etc. To make informed decisions based on data, you must know how to measure the effectiveness of a campaign and how to analyze the result. Get a real internship. Another way to learn and experience your skills faster is to get a real job as digital marketing assistant in an established agent. This is highly recommended because you get to know how the digital marketing agency works and you can use some of the practices if you wish to start your own agency later or join another company as a digital marketing expert. Stay informed of updates. Tactics of digital marketing usually changes often. Some may like it, but some may hate it. But this is a raw fact where you can do nothing much about it. If you want to be a digital marketer, you must keep yourself about the updates and changes that's been happening in digital marketing. But it's a fast changing industry. This means that if you want to follow a career in digital marketing, you should know in advance that learning will be a part of your activity. The best way to start digital marketing is to start your own website and start writing contents. Spend time in mastering yourself in SEO and then move to Google Ads and Facebook campaigns. If you have the opportunity to join in an established digital marketing agency, then do it. The experience you will gain working with experts and on multiple projects will be invaluable. If you guys found this video useful, then like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get notified for further videos. And thanks for watching.